Thank you for this overwhelming response for this Energy Startup Summit 2021 that we hosted along with Tata Motors. Thank you for all those who attended. We are very proud to say we had about 1 lakh registrations from across India. Thank you to all the speakers, right from Shri Amitabh Kant ji to Sadhguru to Shri Tarun Kapoor sir, who attended, who gave insights of what the future of India, what the future of energy startups is going to look like. But there's more to this. We have something very overwhelming for Repos as a milestone. We received a message from Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, our Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, yesterday, and where he stated a very important thing. He said the future of India will depend on youngsters like us. Future of India will be carved by startups. And he said what the future of energy startups is going to look like. And we are here to complete the dream of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, which says that India needs to go Atmanirbhar. India now needs to take a leap towards GDP. Repos started this journey 4 years ago. Now we are saying we want to help startups to come together and let's do this together. So right from, people, we are flooded with queries. People are asking us, kaise karna hai? How to do this? How do I become a fuel startup? I also want to get into it. Form a company, register with the DPIIT, get your tender or expression of interest signed with any oil marketing company, and own a mobile petrol pump, take a platform and start delivering diesel at doorstep through an app. It's that simple. And yes, how can we help into this? We will help you into everything. My one request to everyone who's listening, do not jump into it. We have our team pan-India across everywhere. They will consult you. So a lot of people are asking till what time can we register a company? Can we do this? Can we do that? Very simple. The tender or the oil marketing company expression of interest has already started. We do not want you to miss on this amazing opportunity. And this is the time. Let us come ahead. China, till 2018, every 3.8 days registered one unicorn startup. And that's where the GDP shooted. Guys, we have this chance. Indian youth, Indian entrepreneurs, let's come start up. Let's be a job creators. Let's start something. And this is the best year to do. So first of all, thank you for attending this summit. Thank you to all the participants who showed interest. Our team is trying the best to get in touch with everyone, and that's what we want to help you understand this concept. And if you want more details, of course, you can get in touch with the team. But just thank you so much, India, for trusting in us, for coming on the platform. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.